Seriously, is getting your kids to church feeling more like a wrestling match than a worship service? You're not alone. I've been there. And let me tell you, it doesn't have to be this way. What if I told you there are simple, almost magical ways to shift that mindset? Stick around, because the last hack I'm sharing is a game changer. Hi, and I help families connect faith with everyday life. If you're tired of the Sunday morning drama and want your kids to actually look forward to church, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 godly hacks that turn reluctant kids into enthusiastic attendees. Hack number 1, explain the why behind the what. Look, kids aren't dumb. They want to know why they're doing something. When we just say, because I said so, or it's what we do, it falls flat. We need to connect church attendance to something they care about. Translate your why into kid-friendly terms. For younger kids, it might be about learning cool stories about God and Jesus, or being part of a big family that loves each other. For older kids, talk about how church helps us understand the world better and builds character. When they understand the purpose beyond just going, it changes everything. Explaining it is only half the battle. Hack number 2, make it an experience, not an obligation. Church shouldn't feel like homework. It should feel like an event. Involve them in the preparation. Let them pick out their outfit, within reason. Let them help pack the bag with a Bible, a water bottle, and a snack. Make the journey there fun with a special playlist or a game of I Spy related to church. Once you're there, engage with them and ask what they're excited about learning or who they want to see. During the service, encourage them to take notes, doodle, or follow along in their own Bible. After church, don't just rush home. Have a church lunch tradition and talk about the sermon. Maybe even do a related craft or activity later in the week. The point is to create positive associations and make church a highlight, not a hurdle. It becomes something they anticipate, not dread. Hack number 3, the church buddy system and shared ministry. Kids thrive on connection and purpose. Having a church buddy, someone their age or a cool older mentor, makes a massive difference. It gives them someone to look forward to seeing and someone to sit with. Encourage them to join a youth group, a Bible study, or volunteer for a role like greeting or helping with the kids' ministry. When they have a role, a sense of belonging and friends there, church becomes their place, not just yours. They are not just passive attendees, they are active participants with the community. Shared ministry, even in small ways, instills a sense of ownership and responsibility. When they feel that ownership, they will want to be there. It shifts from, Mom and Dad make me go, to, I want to go because my friends are there and I have a job to do. This is the hack that truly transforms the experience from a chore into a calling. And honestly, seeing my kids excited to serve and connect, that's priceless. So, to recap. First, explain the why in terms they understand. Second, make the whole experience engaging and fun, not just the service itself. And third, foster connection through buddies and shared ministry. These aren't just tricks. They are ways to build a genuine love for faith community. Now, I know implementing